Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro GS Pro watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button for a couple of seconds. Once you see the Mibro logo on the screen, you can release the button and wait until the watch turns on. And after the watch turns on, you should see the hello message on the screen. You can tap on the arrow right here to continue. Now you can select the language you want to use on your watch by tapping on it, and after you select the language, you will see the QR code on the screen. This means you need to download and install the Mibro Fit application on the phone you want to pair your watch with. So make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled. Once you do, open the App Store, tap on search and type in Mibro Fit. Oh, my bad. And tap on search. And you should see this application, Mibro Fit by Zenshi Information Technologies, with this icon. Tap on the install button to download and install the application. And once the application is done installing, you can tap on open to open it. In the app, tap on agree and continue. And here we need to log in into an account. If you don't have an account, you can create one by tapping on no account register now, or you can also use different accounts to log in, like Google, Facebook, WeChat and stuff like that. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. Okay, then I'm gonna tap on login. After you log in, you will see the permission request. Tap on the determine, and here we can allow the location for the, or rather permission for the location. This is useful if you want to track your exercises and stuff like that on the map, and if you want to see the weather and stuff like that. If you don't care, you can deny this permission. I'm gonna allow it. This one is required. Allowed application to find connect devices. So if you see this pop-up, tap on allow, and once you're done with the permissions, tap on device icon, then tap on add device and find the Watch GS Pro on the list of devices and tap on it. Then tap on determine, allow the permission, tap on determine, allow the permission, and the apps will start looking for the nearby devices, and it should detect your watch. Tap on it to select it. Tap on the check mark to confirm. Once you see this page, tap on go on, and you should see the device page for your Watch GS Pro. And you can change some settings right here if you want to. Also, if you go to your watch, you will see this on the screen. You can swipe left, and then you will see the watch face. That means that you can use your watch at this point. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.